In this video, you will learn how to generate this scatter plot or scatter graph in Microsoft Excel. I have generated this scatter plot using this set of data. It is the data about the effect of nitrogen on yield. First column shows the soil nitrogen, while other column shows the yield of that particular crop. Additionally, you will also learn how to insert this regression equation and trend line in scatter plots. So let's start this tutorial. In a separate sheet, I have already entered the data. If you are interested to generate the scatter plot from multiple set of data, then I have already uploaded a video. You can watch this video. I will also provide the link of that particular video in description as well as in pin comments. So without any further delay, let's start this tutorial. Firstly, select this data. Go to Insert tab, and in Insert tab you will find the option of Scatter Chart. Click here. There are multiple options. You can see here it is the scatter plot without line or with line or just lines. I will select this one. Now I will resize it. Firstly, I will remove this extra space. But before that, I will go to chart element option and I will check axis title because I want to insert axis title, and I will uncheck grid line option. Now click on it on x-axis, right click, go to format axis option, and from here I will change minimum value to 4. Now you can see here the extra space is removed. I will click on title, put equal sign in formula bar and select the cell which contain title, or alternately you can manually write it. Press enter. Go to home tab and change its format according to your requirement. I will select black color and change it to 16, 18. Select the other title and put equal sign. It indicates the yield. I will select this cell, press enter and bold with black color, and size will be 12. So after selecting this, go use this format painter option and click here. It will be automatically format like this one. Put equal sign and this one indicate the soil nitrogen. So I will select this cell, press enter. Now I will close this one. Now you can see here these the axis values are densely packed, so I will change there. Right click, go to format axis and I will change minimum value to 2 instead of 0. As I earlier mentioned that I want to create some space between these values, so I will change measure unit to 2. Currently you can see here there is a difference of 1. I want to create a difference of 2, so I will change measure units to 2. Similarly, if you scroll down, you will find the option of tick marks. I want to insert tick marks, measure type and minor type on outside, so I will select both outside option. Now go to fill and line option and go to line option. In line option, solid line is already selected. I will change its color to black and change its width to 1.5 pt. And I want to change the font size of these values. I will select bold and 12. Now I will copy the format of this one using format painter option after selecting this, and just click here to automatically format like this one. Now right click, go to format axis option, and in format axis option I will go to fill and line option. From here I will select solid line, black color and 1.5 pt width. I will scroll down, go to this axis option, and in tick marks I will choose tick marks on outside. Similarly in minor types I will select outside. I will close this one. Now select these markers and I will edit these markers. To edit this, right click, go to format data series and go to this fill and line option, and here there is the option of marker. First one is line and second one is marker. Go to again this marker option, and here you will find the option of build in. Select this one and choose the marker according to your desire. I will select this one, and from here you can select the size of marker. For example, I increase it to 8. Now scroll down and you can change the marker border and fill. For example, I will go to fill option and I will select solid fill and I will change its color to purple. You can see here the purple color appeared here. Similarly, in border color, currently you can see here the border is red. I will select solid line and change it to purple color. So now you can see here the color is changed. Now I will select it again, go to chart element option, and here there is the option of trend lines. Check this option and press on this arrow sign. Go to more option. Here you can see that there are different options. Either you want to insert trend lines on exponential basis or linear or logarithmic basis or polynomial basis or power basis. You can insert any trend line in scatter plot according to your requirement. Currently I have selected linear, so I will close this one, and if you want to edit this line, go to this fill and line option and select solid line, and from here you can choose any color. Additionally, you can also change the width of this line using this option, and you can also change the dash type of this line. For example, if I want to insert solid line, I will select this one. Similarly, go to this chart element option, and here you will find the option of trend line. Go to again this arrow sign and go to more options. If you scroll down, you will find different options. For example, if you want to insert a R square value, you can check this option and R square value will be displayed here. Similarly, if you want to display equation on chart, select this one. Without any calculation, this equation will be displayed. Select this equation, and when 4 arrow appears, you can drag it on any position. Sorry, I will select it again, and now I will move it to here, and after that you can also format it according to your desire. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.